going to be installing this unit that I received from Yolissa Hair. It's a highlighted unit. I literally just finished getting my life together. I washed my quick weave out today and I was really sad about it because I loved my quick weave. It was everything and more. This is how the hair came. Usually I don't really care for this color on me and I'm always trying to tweak it, but today I'm going to try to install it straight out the pack without me having to tweak anything. I'm always trying to bleach the knots, tweak the color, or whatever the case may be. So this is basically what it's giving, but I really feel like this one has way more highlights and I think it looks a little bit better in my opinion. Tell that this unit is really thick in density. It is 180% density on this unit, so super full. The knots don't look like they need to be bleached, so I'm not getting that ant look in my knots, so that's really good. True 13x4 all the way around, so I really do like that. And you have your combs, so you have one on each side, one in the back, and you have your adjustable straps down here. This is really pretty. I'm excited about this because I didn't expect it to be like this, like highlighted, and it's giving me life. So let me just go ahead and grab everything else that I need and we're going to start this process. I have my flesh tone wig caps, has to be glue hairspray, a brush because I don't know where any of my combs are and it's driving me crazy. I have two pairs of scissors, one is the shear and one is just regular scissors. I actually like this to remove my lace. I also have this razor just in case I want to add any layers in the hair, and also I have my tweezers. So I do have some cotton rounds so I can go ahead and remove some of my makeup around the perimeter of my hairline because as you can see the face is beat. I'm going to take my hair toothbrush as well as this edge booster and I'm just going to slick my edges down so when I pop on my wig all of my edges are out the way and they're not going to be cut off. We don't want that. And over here. But yeah, I was telling you guys I'm going to this really cute coffee shop. I just want to see if the food is good there. I heard some good reviews about it, so I want to see if I can actually go and do a little workshop and, like, you know, have a little cup of coffee, vibe out, because I think it's like a really low-key area. So I'm gonna take the scissors now and I'm going to just add little slits in the lace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on, pull the elastic straps to each side so it can have a really snug fit. But I just wish you guys can touch this hair because it's super soft. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that, girl, but it's giving me life. The lace actually isn't super light. I was kind of worried about that, but it has more of a tint to it. As long as it's not transparent, I'm good. We're just gonna look at the wig before we actually put it on all the way. Yeah, I just wish that they probably had this. I think this unit will look 10 times better if the front was like the back up here. I just feel like it gives synthetic, but this is a human hair wig. So I don't know, I'm gonna try to make it work. I'm thinking maybe a side part will be a little bit more forgiving. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. Alright, so I'm gonna take these up and spray. Alright, so just adding this elastic band. Alright girlies, so here is the final look. So I do want to touch on the hair really quick to let you guys know what I noticed when I was, styling the hair and whatnot. So I was able to tell that the hair straightens really easy because I was able to pass the flat iron through the hair a couple of times, and I didn't feel like it was a hassle or it was just too many times that I was just like, oh my god, I'm over this. So initially I wanted to curl the hair, but then I realized, like, first of all, this body wave is too crazy. So I kind of try to fill out how I wanted to style it. Did I think it was going to turn out this good? I really didn't, because like I told you in the past, I received like a highlighted look like this, and I didn't care for the color. I felt like the color was more so of that like cinnamon brown. I really do like it. I do notice that you will have to be careful with how long you leave your curling iron on your hair or like your flat iron, because it is blonde hair. Today I went in with my Hot Tools curling iron and I got these like really loose curls like this, and I styled it maybe twice because I really didn't get the curl that I wanted to get at first. And I went with the side part because I was going to just do like a flip over. I didn't show you guys during the process of me curling the hair. I ended up having to readjust this unit again. So I just readjusted it, and then I used a little bit more of my Got To Be Glue hairspray, and it laid perfectly. No baby hairs on it, and I really do like this look like this. Yolissa's information will be listed in the description box below if you guys are interested in this unit. I definitely just want to point out that the density on this is perfect. I love when I can actually do layers in hair and it still looks super full. Blonde hair can look very cheap and like thin sometimes, depending on what vendor you get it from. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you did enjoy this start to finish install with Yolissa's beautiful highlighted unit, and I will list it down below once again, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.